Hello, folks. My name is Rick Holland from Diplomats of Dope Beard Therapy. Today, we're announcing that our store is officially open. And I'm selling this, our main block, our main mustache block, for $30 retail. Now, let me explain a little bit about this mustache block. This is a 2-ounce mustache block that will last most men up to 1 full month on their mustache, on their beard, on their hair as a pomade, and as a lip balm. When I was creating this product, I would pour the product into molds, and then I added flavorings like real vanilla, real rosemary, real peppermint, real whatever the edible herb was. And I would pour it into the mold, and some of the product would collect in the bottom. And then you just take them out of the mold, flip them upside down, and man, doesn't this just look like a piece of cheesecake? It's beautiful. So we call this our edibles line. So what I do is I just cut them up into little pieces like this, and I've got the flavoring on this side, and I shrink wrap them, and this is your sample pack. So you can give these out to customers as a sample. Now that'll last the man, I don't know, probably a week on his mustache, his beard, his hair as a pomade, and as a lip balm. So this can be a sample for you. But this retails for $30. Now that's $1 a day for almost all men for all their needs. They can throw away their hairspray, their gel. Try this on your hair, on your head. You would be amazed at what it can do. It moisturizes your hair. It keeps your hair in place all day, and it does a magnificent job of my beard. Absolutely zero flyaways. The biggest thing for a bearded man now is flyaways. Try to control the beard for a man with a fuller beard. Well, I rock a full handlebar mustache and a fuller beard, and I don't have split ends and I don't have flyaways. I have full, complete control just with this product. This product is made with coconut oil, hemp seed oil, beeswax, and whatever edible fillings we decide to put in there. Now, I'd like to show you our mustache chocolate. Look at that. It looks like a chocolate. So when I poured the product into the molds, you have to look at it upside down, some of the material would collect on the bottom of the mold. So I pop them out. Looks exactly like a chocolate. So on this side that doesn't have any of the concentrated food material in it, I use it on my mustache, I use it on my beard, my hair, and I flip it around so I now have a concentrated flavored lip balm I can use on my lips. This product can be 100% used. Now, if you get to the point where you don't use a lot of the lip balm, put it in, if you right down to the little bit of the end and there's flavor in there, put it as a meltable tea light, and it will bring the aroma to life and bring the aroma into your room. It's fantastic. This product is so much fun. So let's talk about our vacation pack. Now, our traveler pack, this is $25, and it has a little mustache guy in here, this flavored mustache pack. And then this is also made out of the same material. So you can throw this in your suitcase if you're a professional traveling man that has to go away on business. And this, you'll have beard therapy with you. Now, let's talk about this. So I went from making these bars, and I thought, you know what? I'll bet you I could put these bars into any shape. And I bet you I could put some creative packaging around them to make them look like, this. Take a look. This is our new line. This is called our smokables line because it looks like cigars right up here, right? And this is called our edibles line because it looks like chocolates. This is called our mustache chocolates. So all I did was I took this product, I took different flavors and aroma packs, I shrink wrapped them, I put just a gold foil embossed from an address label, really. It's just a gold foil embossed address label on here, and it dresses these things up. Look at that. That is an absolutely gorgeous package. And again, this product retails for $15 per ounce. So this 2-ounce block is $30. From this to this. Pretty neat, huh? So you've got, the possibilities are endless. I can put this in almost any basic shape, and we can put almost any edible food flavoring and aroma that you want. Now, something that you need to know about my packaging. When I package this, I use a special shrink wrap product that after 24 hours after packaging, the aroma comes through. It is intoxicating. This is called our vanilla cheesecake, and we put real concentrated vanilla in there. And so This goes on your mustache, your beard, your hair, and as a concentrated lip balm where the concentrated food stuff is. So this is my, okay, so here's another example. This is the chocolate all wrapped up, ready to go, okay? So these chocolates retail for $10 because there's 0.7 of an ounce. So $10 on this, $30 on this. So a good way to remember it is $15 an ounce. So for example, if someone wants a custom package, like for a Christmas gift or a birthday gift or something, and they want a beautiful package like this, this will probably last you, oh my goodness, months and months. I'll make it, I'll weigh it out, and you get $15 an ounce. That's it. That's all you have to pay. And then you supply the box, or I'll supply the box for you. But a great gift idea for the bearded man in your life. This is fantastic. So this is Rick Holland for Diplomats of Dope. We're officially open for business. Give me an email at diplomatsofdope.com, or sorry, diplomatsofdope@gmail.com, and I will be able to put together specialty packages for you and your clients that you're going to love. Look at that. These absolutely look beautiful. These look like you could eat them. They look edible. So where's my other one? Oh yeah, well here it is. But see, all you have to do to use one of these, you just flip it around. There's where the concentrated beard therapy is. So you just put it on your mustache, put it on your beard a little bit, rub a little bit on your head, flip it around with the concentrated therapy here, and then put it on your lips. Done. You're gone. You're out the door. Ladies and gentlemen, this, if you give this a chance for a month, this will improve the health of your hair. It's made out of healthy fat, coconut oil, hemp seed oil, and beeswax, and whatever flavoring we decide to use in it. So, this is Rick Holland. We are open for business. And $15 an ounce. Give us a call or give us an email, diplomatsofdope@gmail.com. And listen, your custom package awaits. You can put this display in a hotel, in a bar, in a barber shop, where else? In a Legion if you want. If you want to sell this stuff anywhere you want, ask me. diplomatsofdope@gmail.com. I will package it for you. I will make it look pretty for you, beautiful like this. And this is our meat and potatoes product. 2-ounce bar will last almost all men 1 month. How do I know this? I use it on my beard and my mustache. Thanks, folks. This is Rick Holland for Diplomats of Dope. You will be hearing a lot more videos from us because we're now officially open for business, and we'd really love to talk to your barber about our product. Take care. See you next video. Bye-bye.